In your tech today, robot vacuums getting smarter thanks to AI, and one of them also doubling as a mop. Take a look. Samsung revealing the Bespoke JetBot combo. This is the only picture of it that we have right now. I want to see video of it in action, you know? So it works as both a robot vacuum and a robot mop, but it also uses AI smarts to detect and avoid objects. Samsung says it can recognize more objects than previous robot cleaners, but can also use AI, get this, to detect stains, in which case it'll go back to its base, heat up the pads with high temperature steam and hot water, and then return to the area to clean the stain.
Okay, so that's where this thing stands out.
Isn't that cool?
That's so cool.
The Bespoke JetBot combo will be on display at the Consumer Electronics Show next week, when we hope to find out how much it'll cost and when you might be able to buy it. Looking forward to that. Just last night, 6 new Starlink satellites launched that will provide cell service here on Earth. These are the first of 21 direct-to-cell satellites that Starlink plans to put into low Earth orbit. Take a look, SpaceX posting these photos of the technology. The next step is testing these out, these new satellites, with 4G phones on T-Mobile. Eventually, they're going to launch text messaging using these new connections, hoping to add data and voice calls next year as they get more satellites in space. Now, Elon Musk, of course, the head of Starlink, posted last night saying while this tech will allow connectivity from anywhere on Earth, which is the big deal here, it's not fast enough to compete with traditional land-based cell phone service. They're not trying to compete with T-Mobiles and Verizons.
But it's to give you access where you didn't have access before.
Anywhere.
Think about if we're driving through the mountains, for example, we lose service. This could help.
For sure. And
be slow.
Satellite phones have been around for decades, right? Where it actually connects to a satellite. This is low Earth satellite, which means that it still uses the same connection on your cell phone. It's just that you get access to it in more and more places than before.